Hey Shamsel, so I've gone through all the open tasks. The big one we're still not there yet. So this is the issue here. There are two ways to enter and create items, and one of the workflows is seems to be working pretty well, but the other one is not. So I'm going to pop up my phone here. So if I um, So that when I add an item, I need to be able to count and I'm trying to remember how to get here. But I might need to create a new sheet. Let's do other. So so I just created a new sheet. I'm a brand new user, and by the way, I have a call tomorrow. I'm trying to find a third-party tutorial software we can put an SDK in to use for instructions. But so I'm a brand new user. I come here, I see that new button, I press it, and then I go to scan my item. So I've just scanned my first item. I'm going to put it in the kitchen, and I'm going to price it at $2. Done. Okay. So now two things need to happen. I need to be able to count this item, and then I should be taken to the next item. So what just happens, save the new items, then I would have to go in and enter a count. And now I'm taken to the next screen. So I think what's actually, maybe you did some of this, but what we're missing is the bridge to, so after I push OK, enter a price. Now I'm taken to count. So there, I have to figure out the case where, and now I'm taken to the next item. So this is exactly the workflow we want. Now I was having some issues with, I've scanned this a bunch. Oh, it came up. I was getting an error that item wasn't recognized. I'm not sure why that would be because I've scanned all this stuff before, but okay. So, okay, so now we're good. So how do we get to where, now we're back to scanning. So that's all perfect. So that's the way it's supposed to work. But if we start with a new inventory, which our users are going to do, and then we go into that new inventory, we count our first item. It just saves the item. So this should immediately take me to the count screen, and then it should take me through that workflow to add the next item. So I think we're there. I think we just missed a step if it's the first item in a new sheet. So I'll try and describe that. I also want to change the text if the item's not recognized. So pause this for a second. All right, so I'm going to scan a book, which I don't think will be in there. No, it was in there. So right now, if it's not recognized, it says UPC not recognized. I think we just need to put UPC not in database or something like that. I'll write that up. I think that's it. Once we get this flow for the adding new items, well, I'll probably send this over to Michaela now, and she can start, but we do need to fix that last issue. There's some graphical stuff I'd like to get into, but I want to get into testing first, and we'll see how much time we have. Thank you.